Hello dear students, welcome back in your math class, class 4. So, in our previous video, we have completed our exercise number 5th A, and in this video, we are going to start our exercise number 5th B. So, you may open your page number 30 in your book and get ready with your notebooks. So, in this also, we have to do the subtraction as we did in exercise number 5th A. But what is the main difference? The difference is in that we have done subtraction on small scale, and now we are going to do the subtraction with large numbers. Okay, with taking the borrows. Okay. So I have written the questions. Some questions I have written. So first and second and third part no need to do in your copy. Just complete it in your book only because enough space is given. So no need to do these parts in your copy. Okay. So let's start. Let's begin with our first question, which is first C. So here I have written question in column method, and let's start. So first of all, if we subtract 2 from 7, then answer will be 5. Then 3. We can't subtract 8 from 3. So what will be here? We are taking borrow, then it will become 13. Okay. If we are subtracting 8 from 13, then 5 will come. Okay. Then here will be 9. Subtract 5 from 9, 4. Then here will be 3. And 3 minus 3, 0 and 0. So our answer is 455. Understood? Likewise, our next question is second C. So if we will subtract 8 from 8, then 0. We can't subtract 9 from 1. So we will take borrow and it will become 11. 11 minus 9, 2. Then here will be 4. 4 minus 0 will be 4. Okay. Then 12. It will become 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Then here will be 9 minus 6, 3. And here will be 2. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. Understood? This is our difference. Now coming towards our question number 3rd D. Here what we have to do, first of all we will take what will be the number here after changing. After taking the borrows, here will be 10, 9, 9, 9 and here will be finally 5. Understood? So 6 will come here. 9 minus 3, again 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. This is our difference. Now coming towards our next part of the same question. 3rd D and H part we are doing here. Okay. So first of all we will write after taking borrows. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. 5 minus 5, 0. And what will be here? Here will be 11. 11 minus 7, 4. Then here will be 4. 4. And no impact to 2 because already we have taken the borrow from 5. Okay, that is enough. So no need to come on 2. Then 2 will be the 2. Okay, dear students, hope you have understood this type of subtraction. Then what you have to do till here, remaining questions you have to do from your homework. For example, first A and B you have to do from homework. C we have already done here. Second A and B homework. Third A, B homework. D we have completed. E, F, G homework. Then H we have completed here only. Understood? So you may complete this work by pausing the videos. So students, coming towards our next part, which is our 4th question, and in this question what we have to do, arrange in columns and subtract. Then second thing what we have to do, check the answers you get. Okay, whatever answer we are getting, afterwards we have to check it. So first of all we have to arrange, our first step is to arrange it in the column method. Okay, then put from right to left. 9, 8, 6, 1, 1. Start subtraction. Here will be 15 minus 9, 6. Then 13, 8. If you will subtract 8 from 13, then 5. Then here 12, 6. Then 1, 0 and 0. Understood? So 656. Okay. Then what we have to do the second thing? We have to check it. How to check? For checking, what we have to do? See beta. Here we are doing the subtraction. Subtraction we are doing. And if we will add both of these, the answer should come this one. Okay? Means the subtract, minute. So what we have to do? Put here 1, 1, 6, 8, 9. Then 0, 0, 6, 5, 6. And then we have to add it. Add it. 9 plus 6, 15. 9 plus 5, 14. 13, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means our answer is correct. Okay. So this is the way of doing the correction. If you want to check our answer after making the difference, then this is the correct way. Now coming towards our next part, which is our F part. Question I have written already. So in this, see, first of all, same steps we have to follow. This is 5 lakh. We have to arrange it in column method. 9, 2, 5, 7 and 4. Okay. Subtract it. Then, first of all, after taking borrows, what will remain? We will write here 9, 9, 9, 9. And here also 9. And here finally 4 is remaining. Okay. So 9. If we are taking out 9 from 10, then 1. Then here will be 7. Here will be 4, 2 and 5 and finally 4. For checking, we know very well. For checking, what we have to do? This and this. Okay. So 4, 7, 5, 9, 1, 7, 4, 2, 4. Sorry, 1, 7, 4, 2, 5 and 4 we have to write. 10, 1. Then here 7, 8, 13. Stop. Then addition we have to do for checking. 9 plus 1, 10. Here will be also 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10. Then 5 plus 5 is also 10. And here finally 5 lakh. That's we want. Okay. So that means our answer is correct. Okay. So students, remaining part of this fourth question means fourth A, B, D and E. You have to do from your homework. That's all for today.